Hi guys, here we discuss top and latest 3 air-to-air missiles. Number 1 is the Meteor air-to-air missile represents a significant advancement in aerial combat technology, specifically designed to enhance the capabilities of modern fighter aircraft in beyond visual range (BVR) engagements. Developed as a collaborative effort between several European nations and manufacturers, including MBDA, the Meteor integrates cutting-edge technologies and design principles aimed at improving lethality, range, and survivability in contested air environments. At the heart of the Meteor's design is its advanced ramjet engine, which provides sustained propulsion and enables the missile to engage targets at extended ranges, far beyond those of traditional air-to-air missiles. This capability is coupled with an innovative active radar seeker that allows for precise target acquisition and tracking, even in complex and jammed environments. As a result, the Meteor is capable of engaging fast-moving aerial threats with unmatched speed and accuracy. Another notable feature of the Meteor missile is its sophisticated guidance system, which employs a combination of mid-course inertial navigation and terminal guidance via its radar seeker. This ensures maximum effectiveness against a wide range of targets, from enemy fighter jets to unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). The Meteor has been strategically integrated into several modern European fighter platforms, including the Eurofighter Typhoon, Dassault Rafale, and the Saab Gripen, further solidifying its role as a vital asset in NATO air forces. As air combat evolves and the necessity for advanced missile systems becomes increasingly critical, the Meteor stands out as a benchmark in air-to-air warfare technology, ensuring that operators maintain a technological edge in the ever-changing landscape of aerial conflict. Second one in the list is Mica Missile d'Interception et de Combat Aérien. Air-to-air missile is a versatile and advanced system developed by MBDA in France, designed for modern aerial combat scenarios. It is notably characterized by its dual-role capability, effectively functioning in both beyond visual range (BVR) engagements and close air combat dogfight situations. First introduced in the early 1990s, the Mica missile was developed to meet the operational needs of the French Air Force and Navy, and it has since become a cornerstone of air-to-air combat capabilities for several other nations. One of the key features of the Mica missile is its modular design, allowing it to be equipped with either an active radar seeker or an infrared seeker. This dual seeker capability provides flexibility in targeting strategies, enabling the missile to engage a wide range of adversarial aircraft, including stealthy and maneuverable targets. The active radar variant excels in BVR combat, allowing for autonomous target acquisition and guidance, while the infrared version is optimized for close-range engagements, benefiting from enhanced tracking performance in visual combat scenarios. The Mica can also reach altitudes up to 20 kilometers, approximately 65,000 feet, making it suitable for high-altitude intercept operations. As part of the armament for modern fighter aircraft such as the Dassault Rafale and Mirage 2000, the Mica missile provides air forces with a comprehensive solution for maintaining air superiority. With its combination of versatility, precision, and advanced technology, Mica remains a critical component in the arsenal of nations committed to securing and dominating their aerial battle spaces. Its continued evolution ensures that it meets the challenges of contemporary and future aerial threats. Number 3 in the list is Derby air-to-air missile is an advanced aerial combat weapon. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems in Israel. Designed primarily for deployment by various fighter aircraft, the Derby missile is recognized for its versatility and effectiveness in both beyond visual range (BVR) and close-range engagements. Entering service in the 1990s, Derby has evolved into a critical asset for air forces seeking to maintain air superiority in an increasingly complex battlefield environment. One of the distinguishing features of the Derby missile is its active radar guidance system, which allows for autonomous target tracking and engagement. This capability enables the missile to operate effectively at extended ranges, enhancing the pilot's ability to engage enemy aircraft without needing to maintain a direct visual line of sight. This high level of tactical flexibility allows Derby to effectively engage a wide array of aerial threats, from advanced enemy fighters to unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). Moreover, the Derby missile boasts exceptional maneuverability and speed, making it highly capable in dogfight scenarios. Its advanced control surfaces and aerodynamic design contribute to a high level of agility, allowing it to follow aggressive flight paths to intercept fast-moving targets. The Derby missile is compatible with a variety of fighter aircraft, including the Israeli Air Force's F-16 and the Indian Air Force's Tejas, underscoring its adaptability and integration into different air combat platforms. Overall, the Derby missile represents a significant advancement in air-to-air weaponry, offering enhanced performance, flexibility, and effectiveness in achieving air dominance and operational superiority in diverse combat situations. As air warfare continues to evolve, the Derby missile remains a vital element of a modern Air Force's tactical toolkit. Thanks for watching and subscribing my channel. Bye bye.